Using tags in our Ask an Expert section is a great way to find questions and have your questions answered. You can search for tags right here in the Community Questions page, or you can view all tags by clicking this All section in the sidebar. This will take you to the Tags page where you can see our top tags, a description of what they mean, and click into them to see all questions that have been tagged with that particular term. When asking questions in our Ask an Expert section, you can add tags to your questions. So to do so, you can scroll down to this tags field and then enter up to 5 different keywords. For example, if you start typing here, you'll see a list of our most popular options. You can click that. To remove any tags, just simply click this X, and you can view a list of our most popular question tags here on the side. Click the All section to view a list of all of the tags that have been added.